High-strength aluminum, OBJ. Aperture, 33 mm, magnification: 1x, power of the gun sight laser, 2 mW, class of the laser, class IEA. Special 2-in-1 design, built with the red sight laser and dual illuminated reflex sight with 4 reticle types, it will help you aim and shoot accurately. Tubeless design with 33 mm reflex lens. Aperture provides a wide field of view, suitable for rapid firing or shooting of moving targets besides normal shooting. Coming with the switch button and the pressure pad switch, you can choose one of them towards different situation to operate the laser more easily. This laser reflex sight scope fits standard 20 mm Weaver and pike at any range.